Here at Memphis-Shelby County Schools, we're dedicated to preparing our students for success in college and beyond. But the pathway can be daunting. That's why I'm reaching out to the esteemed institutions of higher learning like yours. We have a diverse and driven student body eager to explore academic opportunities. And a partnership with your post-secondary institution would be transformative. Imagine joint workshops led by your professors, early college credit opportunities, and mentorship programs with your current students. Together, we can bridge the gap between high school and higher education, creating a seamless path for all of our students. Your expertise, combined with our passion for student success, equals unlimited possibilities. I invite you along the journey to prepare the next generation of leaders and move Memphis together.